Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick unboxing video. It has something to do with these three things. You can see I have a package here from Bree at Documented Journey. All I did was rip open the pouch. Here we are. The first notebook I got from Bree was this little passport one, and it originally was a folio, and you saw me turn it into a traveler's notebook, and I have been using this to house swatches of all of the different markers and pens and some more brush pens, or like watercolors, some vintage gel pens, and that's what I've been using this for. Then the second one I got was this beautiful traveler's notebook, which I've been using to house my my second insert for 2024 YouTube, Peaky Dory designs, all of that type of stuff, notes and projects. Then I have my more word journal, which I do some collaging. Mainly the last few weeks it's been just putting down some washi tape and writing a lot. That's really pretty washi. Some doodling using some birthday present pencils on those. Those were fun. Some ripped up washi strips I had. This is the second spread that I did with the items from the wonderful Bridget at Paper Made Me Do It. And here's the third spread, plus I added some of my red washi tape. And then those are some of her little cutouts. And then this is the one that you saw me do on the video. I just added a little bit of journaling here. And some more of her stuff there. And then the third notebook that I bought from Bree was this beautiful olive with the waterwood front pocket, which I don't have anything yet, and I gotta figure out how I want to use that. But I love the contrast. And this one, I've been thinking of turning it into a traveler's notebook by putting 2 holes in it. But right now I have one of Bree's journals that I bought from her years ago. Probably 2018, maybe? Where I just doodled some flowers. One of my favorite things to draw is a kitty in a cup, so I drew a kitty in a cup. And then I doodled some flowers, and I was planning on coloring this with some blue watercolors and then journaling above it. But of course I haven't done that yet. And then I have some notes in here. Another kitty in the cup. Some YouTubes to watch. And then some lyrics to a song. That's really all I have in there. And I loved this color. Bree and I both love different shades of green. And this she calls avocado. And then this is olive. And then the inside is olive as well. So I wanted something this color in the standard size, because I use the standard size quite a bit. So there is Bree's cute little card and washi, which I'll put in my journal. Here is the twine. Set that aside. And dun dun dun. Look at that pretty color. That is gorgeous. And so I wanted just a solid, beautiful avocado green with the olive elastic, and I wanted the pockets on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? So what I'm wanting to do with this is I think I'm going to put holes in it like a standard Midori. I tend to like the single elastic that way, not the two elastic this way. And I might put, I haven't decided yet, I might put this stuff in here, but look how beautiful that is. It's so soft. I might put that stuff in here, but one thing I have is I got this a while ago, this We Are Memory Keepers, and it is a guide to help you either bind a book with a Coptic stitching or with just a simple stitch. And the kit comes with everything you need. It comes with, this for making your holes and for lining it up. And then it also comes with this little pouch, which has directions, 2 needles, a straight needle and a curved needle, some thread that's been beeswaxed, and your little awl or little pokey tool. And I want to spend some time, I've got some time this week because, things are closed. And what I want to do is I have some Jane Davenport watercolor paper, marker paper, and drawing paper. And I want to take them and I want to make them into an insert like this. One that is Coptic stitched. Oops. That has this type of a binding. And because they're all the right size for a standard notebook or for a standard folio. And I wanted to start with those because they're already cut. I don't have to cut them down. But I wanted to see the size of the folder or the slip-on pockets because I want to see if a traveler's notebook writing board will fit. And it will. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that makes me wonder then if all of this stuff I have in here will fit. And let's find a fun way to do this. So normally, I'd probably have it in like that. Hey, I think that will fit. And for right now, what I can do is let's try something. Ooh, look at that. And then it makes me wonder, to get my whole olive fix on, I have one of it looks like the Traveler's Company Faroof olive cotton, starched cotton zipper pouches, but it's not a Faroof. I got it from Amazon. It's by a company called Moterm. They make traveler's notebooks, they make folios, they make ring binders, but I'm thinking, hey, let's just get everything olive in my cork. Here, I'll put it under the front insert. I could probably get it to go around a couple of inserts, but it's always a mixed bag for me, these zipper pouches. If I'm using it as a wallet, the Traveler's Notebook, I use these. If I'm not using it as a wallet, they just take up space and are empty. So I've got to figure out what I'm going to want to do. I'm going to try something. Oops. Look at that. So that has 3 notebooks, a craft folder, and yeah, 3 inserts, a craft folder, and of course my pen. And look at that. So this will definitely work as a traveler's notebook. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm not going to do that on camera. I'm going to set aside some time when I don't feel rushed or pressured to do so. But that will be perfect. And usually what I try to do when I'm putting things in a traveler's notebook is the item that is the thickest, which would be this. It would be the insert and the folder. I try to put on the main elastic, so that way you can see here it's as centered as it can possibly be. So that way it won't stick out, because as you can see here, the only thing sticking out is the pen lip. But that is going to be beautiful. Let's put my writing board. There we go. Oh, that is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And what I could do for a while before deciding to do that, I could actually put some elastic on here and put it around one of these inserts to hold it in place. But I think I am going to put 2 holes here and 2 holes here, kind of like I did here. There's 2 holes. Oh, and there's 2 holes. I got a little too much stuff crammed in there. But look at that. That is beautiful. And then I could take this sketch art book paper, cut it down to size, and it's just a little too big. And then have this full of all of my sketches and stuff like that. Yeah, there we are with my beautiful new avocado, and I just put that as the front. Is that the front? Yeah, I think I like that as the front. As my new avocado folio, soon to be traveler's notebook from Bree at Documented Journey. I will link Bree down below, and if you want any more information about her wonderful notebooks, go there and she can answer all of your questions. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.